All right, so welcome again to the channel. We have a question on the board. We have that 2 raised to the power y is equal to y raised to the power 32, and we're asked to find the value of y. So let's go ahead and solve this question. So, solution. We have that 2 raised to the power y is equal to y raised to the power 32. Right, so for this question, we're going to try to move all the numbers to one side and all the alphabets to one side. So we have y on the left and y on the right. So what we're going to try to do is move the y to the right hand side and then 32 to the left hand side. So we'll start first with the left side. So to move y to the right side, we'll divide or we multiply by 1 over y. And obviously, whatever we do on the left-hand side, we do the same onto the right-hand side. So this becomes 32 times 1 over y. Y can cancel out. So we have 2 is equal to y 32 over y. Now, to get rid of 32 on the right-hand side, we divide by 32 as well, or multiply by 1 over 32. And that has to happen on both sides as well. So we have 2 raised to the power 1 over 32 equals y raised to the power 32 over y 1 over 32. 32 cancels out. So what we have is 2 1 over 32 equals y 1 over y. Now, to be able to find the value of y, we can see we have y at the base and also y 1 over y at the power. So we need to try to rewrite the left-hand side to look like what we have on the right-hand side. So we know that this is the same thing as 1 times 1 over 32. And 1 is the same thing as 2 over 2. Right? Because this hasn't changed anything at all. 2 over 2 is the same thing as 1. 1 times 1 over 32 is still 1 over 32. Right? So now this is the same thing as we're going to rewrite this to become 2 raised to the power 2 times 1 over 32 times 2. So this is now 4 1 over 64 equals y 1 over y. This is still not looking like what we have on the right hand side, so we carry on. So we have 2 over 2 1 over 64 equals 1 1 over y, and this also becomes 4 raised to the power 2 1 over 2 64 1 over y. 4 squared is 16 1 over 128 equals y 1 over y. Now we divide have the power 2 raised to the power 2 divided by 2 multiplied by 1 over 128 1 over y. And also now we have 16 squared times 1 divided by 2 times 128. We're just trying to manipulate the left hand side so that it looks like the right hand side there. That way we can be able to find our value for y. 16 squared is what? That is 256. So we have 256 dot 1 over 1 divided by 256. Because 128 times 2 is 256. And that's equal to y 1 over y. Now we see that what we have on the left hand side now looks like what we have on the right hand side. So we have 256 here. We have 1 over 256. We have y and 1 over y. So from observation, right, y is equal to 256. 256. But we're not going to stop there. We're going to try to verify that our value of y, which is 256, is the correct answer. So our question says what? 2y, y32. So our question says that 2 raised to the power y is equal to y raised to the power 32. So our y is 256, right? So that's 2 raised to the power 256 equals 256 raised to the power 32. Now, 256 is the same thing as 2 raised to the power 8. If you multiply 2 8 times, you're going to get 256. So what we have here now is 2 raised to the power 8 times. Now, 256 divided by 8 will give us what? 4 here is 2. 4 here is 6 times 4 is 24. 4 here is 4. 2 here, 1 is 32. So this is the same thing as that, equals 256 raised to the power 32, right? So now we see that we know that a raised to the power m, that n, is the same thing as a raised to the power mn, right? So knowing that, so let's rewrite this in this form. So this is the same thing as 2 raised to the power 8, 32. We're trying to see if this is equal to 2 raised to the power 256 raised to the power 32. So 2 raised to the power 8 is 256 raised to the power 32. And on the right hand side, we have 256 raised to the power 32. And we can see that our left hand side is equal to our right hand side. Therefore, our value of y, which is 256, is the correct answer. So if you like this video and you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.